Hi everyone. Working principle of differential system and final drive. In a tractor, differential lock force both wheels on an axle to rotate at the same speed. In casing traction, we and the one wheel lose grip like a mud or snow. Is a screw for maintaining forward momentum in challenging tradition where standard differential would allow the spring to wheel to the tall the tractor. Power transmission of tractors. Differential unit is a special arrangement of gear to permit one of the rear wheels of the tractor to rotate slower or faster than the others. While turning the tractor on a curved path, the inner wheels has to move to travel the lesser the tractor to move faster than other the turning point. The output of coming from the gearbox is provided with a bevel pinion at the end of the shaft. The bevel pinion is meshed with a larger bevel wheel is known as ground wheel. The main function of ground wheel is assembly R to permit the power of the right angle drive to suit the tractor wheels to reduce the speed of rotation maintaining of the differential. Further, the reduce the rotation coming from the gearbox before the same are passed on to the rear axis. Challenges the direction of rotation of the power by 90 degree from being longitude and transfer the direction to distribute the power equally and both the rear driving axis when the tractor is moving in right side of the direction to distribute the power as per required to the driving axis during the turn. The more rotation are required by the outer wheel as compared to the inner wheel to turns. Normal operations. Now, the standard differential allows wheel and axle to rotation with the speed which necessary for turning. Then ensures smooth operation for poor surface changes conditions. However, is situation where one wheel loses direction. Example on moved snow or low gravel. The differential can use cases as spinning wheel to get stuck while the other wheel remains idle. Differential lock function. The differential lock also as diff lock overcomes the limited by machine locking in the axial to the together. The main components of the differential are input pinion gear, gravel wheel gear, differential catch, differential star, differential axial of gear. The parts of the ears. The real pictures of differential lock in tractors. Improved traction well enhanced the different lock force both wheels on the axle to rotate at the same speed. The aggregate the traction which ensure that the wheel with traction receives the full power allowing the tractor to move forward or more easily. When to use differential locks are most useful in off-road situations such as when working field with mud or snow or loose soil or when encountering steep inclines. Types of locking there are various types of differentials including automatic lockers, selector lockers and spool or regular differentials. This is picture of differential gear lock in tractors. Working. The differential casing is rightly attached with the ground wheel and moves the like one of unit. Two pinion are provided inside the differential casing. such as that the are carried round the around wheel, but the are free to rotate also their own of are stood. There are there are two more bevel gear in mesh the with differential pinion. One power pinion is at the end of the each of shaft, which goes to the tractor rear wheels. Thus, instead of the ground wheel being geared directly to a solid shaft between the tractor wheels, the drive is taken back from the indirect rotate the differential casing, differential pinion and off soft the tractor. When the tractor is moving a straightly line, the differential pinion to not rotate on the stopwatch of but are solid with a differential casing. They are the travel to bevel gear at the same speed and in the same direction of the casing and the ground wheel. Differential lock. The differential lock is a device to join both half axles of the tractor so that even if wheel is under less resistance and the tractor comes out from the mud etc. As both wheels move with the same speed and supply equal direction. Final drive. Final drive is a gear reduction unit in the power trains between the differential and drive wheels. Final drive transmit the power finally to the rear axle and the wheels. The tractor rear wheels are not directly attached to half shaft but the drives is taken through a pair of spur gear. The tractor or rear wheels are not directly attached to half shaft but the drive that take though the pair of spur gears. Each of shaft determines in small gear which meshes with a large gear is called bulk gear. The bulk gear is mounted on the shaft carrying tractor rear wheels. The device for final speed reduction suitable for the rear wheels is known final mechanism. The final drive is reduction unit of the power between differential and unit wheels. The device for final speed the suitable tractor the rear wheels of the final drive mechanism. This is picture of the rear wheels. The tractor differential locks in. Thank you.